In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zillow account. If you've decided it's time to close this chapter with Zillow, follow along as I guide you through the steps you need to take. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to head over to the Zillow website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in www.zillow.com. Once there, you'll see a familiar homepage where you might have previously searched for properties or managed rental listings. Next, you'll need to click on the logo or profile icon that's situated typically at the top right corner of the page. This icon might look like a silhouette or your profile picture if you've set one. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options related to your account. Now, from this menu, go ahead and find Account Settings. Clicking on this will take you to a page with all the settings related to your personal account. It's like the control center for how you manage your interactions and preferences on Zillow. Within the Account Settings page, you'll want to look for the option labeled Profile. Click on Profile to be redirected to a dedicated section about your account. As you arrive on the Profile page, scroll down a bit. It's always a good idea to take a glance through the information here to ensure everything's up to date. However, our focus today is to navigate slightly further down the page to find what we're looking for. The section you're aiming to find is called Manage Account. This is where some of the more critical modifications to your account are housed. It holds the key to us being able to deactivate your account. Once you've reached the Manage Account section, you should see an option that says Deactivate Account. Click this option when you're ready. Doing so will prompt Zillow to take you through the final steps necessary to deactivate your account, effectively concluding your interaction with the platform. It's crucial to ensure you really want to proceed before clicking Deactivate, as this action will remove your access to properties you've saved and potentially some transaction histories. If you've made up your mind, go ahead and click, and you'll receive a confirmation that your account is deactivated. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process to delete your Zillow account. Remember, you can always create another account should you decide to return in the future. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Until next time, take care.